AWS IoT service. Amazon Web Services offers a comprehensive IoT service suite known as AWS IoT, which provides cloud based tools and infrastructure for building, managing, and scaling IoT applications. AWS IoT enables users to connect and manage billions of devices securely, collect and analyze data from these devices, and build innovative IoT solutions across various industries. Here are some key components and features of AWS IoT. Device Gateway. The AWS IoT Device Gateway facilitates secure and bidirectional communication between IoT devices and the AWS cloud. It supports various protocols such as MQTT, HTTP, and WebSockets, allowing devices to publish and subscribe to messages and events. Device Registry. The device registry enables users to manage and organize their IoT devices at scale. It provides a central repository for device metadata, including device attributes and configurations and security credentials. Device shadows. Device shadows are virtual representation of physical devices that synchronize device state and enable offline operation and seamless communication between devices and applications. Device shadows helps maintain the last reported state of devices and support reliable messaging and control. Security and privacy. As IoT devices collect and transmit sensitive data, ensuring security and privacy is paramount. Measures such as data encryption, authentication, access control, and regular software updates are essential to protect against cyber threats and unauthorized access. Rules engine. The rules engine allows users to define and execute business logic and rules based on incoming data from IoT devices. Users can set up rules to process, transform, filter, and route messages to the other AWS services or external endpoints, enabling real time analytics, alerts, and automation. IoT Analytics. AWS IoT Analytics provides advanced analytics capabilities for processing and visualizing IoT data at scale. It enables users to run ad hoc queries, perform data transformations, and generate insights using built in tools and integrations with AWS services such as Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, and Amazon QuickSight. Device management. AWS IoT device management simplifies device provisioning, configuration, and maintenance tasks, allowing users to onboard, update, and manage fleets of IoT devices efficiently. It supports over the air OTA updates, remote diagnostics, and monitoring capabilities to ensure device health and performance. Integration with other AWS services. AWS IoT seamlessly integrates with other AWS services such as AWS Lambda, AWS Kinesis, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon SNS, and AWS Greengrass, enabling users to build end-to-end IoT solutions with additional capabilities such as serverless computing, real-time data processing, and machine learning. Edge computing with AWS Greengrass. AWS Greengrass extends AWS IoT capabilities to the edge by enabling local compute, messaging, and data processing on IoT devices. It allows users to run AWS Lambda functions and deploy machine learning models locally, enabling low latency, offline, and edge to cloud connectivity for IoT application. IoT Core for LoRaWAN. AWS IoT Core for LoRaWAN is a managed service that enables customers to connect, manage, and ingest data from LoRaWAN devices securely. It simplifies the deployment and management of LoRaWAN networks and integrates seamlessly with other AWS IoT services for data processing, analytics, and visualization. Overall, AWS IoT provides a scalable, secure, and flexible platform for building IoT applications accelerating time to market and unlocking new opportunities for innovation and business growth.